All right, it's Thursday, January 4th, just following up on Tesla. You can see here it's working its way lower now. Bought some puts here after it kind of failed at the high of the day, came back into the range here of the first bar and the pre-market highs, bounced around a little bit. Now we're kind of working lower. As we came lower, we took out this little stop that's here. It sort of bounced there for a second, but didn't really reverse, and now we're continuing lower. So I actually scaled out at that low. I bought those 245 puts at 548. I scaled out at 6 to kind of set up a Norris trade, and they're up to like 635 right now, 640 as we head lower to the bottom of the range. So we will find out if we kind of take out the lows of the day. Again, on the daily chart, just an inside day with an overall downtrend, red, red, red. We kind of came to the midpoint of the prior day where we failed and started lower. So the bias has been down in the bigger picture. We just had to kind of wait for a failure as the price initially tried to start up. But once it wasn't, it was having a tough time going higher and higher and higher. So once it broke down, I didn't think it would test those highs of the day again. And now we bounced around. We're continuing lower. So no risk right now to see if eventually we kind of end with another, if we can get to the lows of yesterday. If not, we'll end up with a kind of an inside bar, I think, and that'll set up maybe an actionable signal for tomorrow. But the trend is still down here. We're working towards these lows in the bigger picture, and just after a few days of red, we had to pause a little bit before continuing lower, which we're starting to do now. So we will see where Tesla ends up today at no risk. Again, bought some puts up here, and now heading lower. Options kind of working their way up to 650 at the moment. Bought those at 548. So good gains on the Tesla puts, and we'll see how the day ends.